RobotFX delivers curated Forex news to keep you informed on key market events. The UK's total order book balance rose to -28 in February 2026 from -30 in January, according to the Confederation of British Industry (CBI). While this indicates that industrial orders are still declining, they are doing so at their slowest pace since September. Even so, order levels remain historically weak. Export order books were also described as below normal, though they improved slightly to -26 from -30 in January. Over the 3 months to February, manufacturing output continued to contract, but the pace of decline eased compared with the 3 months to January 14 vs -25. Expectations for average selling price inflation remain high at 26 in February, down modestly from 29 in January, yet still far above the long-run average of 8. CBI senior economist Cameron Martin noted that the downturn in manufacturing output had moderated in February after a challenging start to the year, but many firms still report that customers are delaying orders amid weak confidence and ongoing cost pressures. The material has been provided by RobotFX.org. Reduce lag and improve accuracy with a non-lag MA expert advisor for MT4 MT5. Discover it. Stay informed and trade smarter with RobotFX products. Discover more at robotfx.org.